Second round of winter weather, and you can see the storm is already moving over parts of the area.
Nico Clemens is in Williamsburg. Nico, how does it look out there?
Well, as you guys can see all around me, I hope you can see snow flurries. The snow here in Williamsburg started falling from 9 this morning till about 10:30. Then it stopped, and then it picked back up around 11:15. So the snow's been falling and coming down for about an hour now. You can zoom in over here and see the snow is starting to stick to these bushes and the grass and the mulch. But I'm on North Henry Street. That's next to Merchant Square and adjacent to Colonial Williamsburg's historic area. So around me you have retail, shops, restaurants, and the snow flurries and the cold weather, it's not stopping people out here from shopping, going into these restaurants and shops and retail. And we're actually near William and Mary, so I've seen several students out here walking, trying to brave the elements. As far as what crews are doing here in Williamsburg, they already put salt and sand on the bridges, and yesterday they already put more than 2,000 gallons of brine on those primary and secondary roads. Again, the crews are out. They have five snow plows ready. They're ready to go. Their crews started 12-hour shifts. Now back to the snow. Again, it's not sticking to the road, but it is sticking to the rooftops and the grass and the bushes. And coming up later this afternoon, we'll have more from Williamsburg and Newport News. I was there earlier talking to their street repair teams. Right now, I'm live in Williamsburg. Nico Clemens, 13 News Now.
All right, well, VDOT crews are doing what they can to keep the roads clear.
Right now, Elise Brown is outside one of the VDOT locations near Bonnie Road. Elise, how are things looking out there?
Hey, good afternoon, Christina and Janet. Things are looking pretty good out here. We've been out here since 4:30 this morning, and there's been a steady stream of trucks coming in and out of here, loading up on salt. This is a lot of salt we've got out here. VDOT says they've got plenty of this salt, sand, and brine. Now, after trucks come to this location, they go across the street, across the highway, and they wait for the roads and interstates. We spoke with operator Brian Owens this morning. I mean, he is truly passionate about his job. He's been doing it for 21 years. He says safety is priority and has one ask of drivers.
Well, the first thing is just there's signs on our trucks. If we're working, just let us work. Give us at least 100 feet behind us. Like I say, don't pass us, because the road is generally going to be worse in front of us than it is behind us. We don't want to damage vehicles. We just want to get the work done safely for everybody. You know, we have a family to go home to.
Yeah, like Owen said, again, safety is priority. You want to make sure you're at least 100 feet back from those trucks so everybody can get home safely tonight. Live in Virginia Beach, Elise Brown, 13 News Now.
Well, because of the winter weather, several schools around the area are taking precautions. Virginia Beach schools were set to release just a few moments ago.
Jacqueline Lee is live at Fairfield Elementary School. Jacqueline.
Yeah, guys, all the school buses, the parents, the very excited kids, they all left here about 10 minutes ago. Now, as you guys said, Virginia Beach Public Schools, they all got out 3 hours early today. And this is the city's way of just taking precautions. I mean, if you guys take a look, we've seen sand and salt spread out all over the sidewalks, all over the streets. The school district says they'd rather be safe than sorry. Now, for a lot of parents, this is a bit of a deja vu. When we had that blizzard 2 weeks ago, a total of 6 school days were canceled in the city of Virginia Beach. The school district announced that they would extend the first semester as a way to make up for that. Now, the biggest question here is whether or not school will be canceled for tomorrow. A spokesperson said they're going to be evaluating the forecast and the road conditions, and they'll make that call a little bit later today. So as soon as we get that information, we'll keep you updated on air and online at 13newsnow.com. Live in Virginia Beach, Jacqueline Lee, 13 News Now.